Today, a judge delivered the verdict in the House of Horrors murder trial. It's a case we've been watching closely. Prosecutors say 3 dead babies were found inside Erica Murray's home in 2014. Our Roslyn Flaherty was in court today for the verdict announcement. She joins us live now with the details. Roslyn.
Olivia, the verdict may be a surprise to some. Murray was found not guilty on her most serious charge. There was no jury in this case, so the decision was up to the judge, and she says she followed the law.
I find her not guilty of the murder charge.
Judge Janet Kenton Walker delivers the closely watched verdict in the so-called House of Horrors murder trial. She found Erica Murray not guilty of second-degree murder of her child.
This case involves a senseless, tragic story about a dysfunctional parent and her family. Regardless of how disturbing the facts surrounding this case are to the community at large, and to me as a parent, I cannot take into account those feelings.
In 2014, a neighbor found a 3-year-old and a 5-month-old covered in feces inside Murray's Blackstone home. Investigators later found 3 dead infants hidden in closets.
There was no evidence of any of those children dying as a result of anything she did.
Judge Kenton Walker believes Murray suffers from a personality disorder. Prosecutors had argued against that. She also found her not guilty on 2 counts of reckless endangerment of a child, charges relating to her 2 oldest children. Judge Kenton Walker did find Murray guilty on 2 counts of assault and battery on a child for her 2 younger children, as well as guilty on 2 counts of animal cruelty. While Murray's defense attorney says this was a victory of sorts for his client, he says it's not a happy day for anyone.
She lost her kids, and she, despite what that house looked like, despite the lives those kids led, she loves those kids. And so for her, this tragedy is forever.
Her sentencing is scheduled for July 11th. Each guilty charge could carry a maximum of 5 years. Roslyn Flaherty, Worcester News Tonight.